Okay, so right now what we're doing is we're going into a closet that looks like it's mostly Christmas. Um, we don't know exactly what's here. There are 2 trees, a couple Santas.
Even though we don't stay here full time, we want to decorate it for the holidays and let the neighbors know that we're doing our best to be neighborly and to sort of bring life back to the house, especially when you're driving across. We get a lot of people stopping and asking us what's going on.
So we also brought a few things up of our own. Like one of the Santas is mine.
This guy.
Isn't he cute?
He lives here now.
Yeah, he lives here now. Because apparently I have a thing for Santas because I've got another one that my sister made me, a porcelain one. He's gorgeous.
Tied up though. Then we'll need to get some checkers.
This. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Are you recording?
Just
I thought you weren't recording.
I wasn't. I just turned it on.
Oh.
And then there's this side. So I'm assuming this is like a tabletop and you just flip it over. But what's funny is that, again, I don't know if you can see this, but it says American-made toys for American girls and boys. That's crazy.
I think.
See now, Steve, point to that that thing at the top of the curtain, the drape, and it opens up and it's like metal. Now we looked online and it says it's a vintage curtain bracket. But if anybody knows the real name to it, let us know, because this is the only room that has them, and there's 6 of them, 2 per window. Very cool though.
Yeah, cool stuff. We'll leave it open for the holiday.
Okay, so I just took out my Christmas tree. I can't remember where we used it, but it's been not out for a long time, so I don't even know if these work. But I just plugged in one of them, and they're not working yet. But I know sometimes you have to plug it all in. So let's see. Yay! It works. Okay, I know it needs help, and I'll fix it more later. What's up with you? What? Okay.
I think.
Oh, look, this is what was hanging in the closet. But it's these cute little bells. They definitely need to be cleaned, but it totally sounds like Santa's reindeers.
Outside or inside?
I don't know.
How about wherever there is
a nail?
A nail.
Well, it's cute because there's that cute little.
That's the way we decorate. Wherever there's a nail is where things go.
Yeah.
What's this? What would that be used for?
I don't know what the heck that is.
Here's a couple more
Ornaments. Just put right in here.
Yeah, they can go right in there. We'll use those. So, look, what do you want to do with that guy? Kids will want to play with that. Oh, this is Halloween, no?
That's not Halloween. It
looks Halloween to me.
It's a snowman.
It's a Halloween snowman. Oh, this is cute. What's this say?
I still believe.
Well, maybe the kids will like that one.
Oh, these were for my cats. See? Perfect. Maybe I can get one of like Clementine and Frankie. Those are the last two cats that have since gone over the Rainbow Bridge.
And then we're going to head out and see if we can't find at an antique salvage store some vintage surrounds or covers for these fireplaces.
Okay. Real quick, we just did a really quick thrift store. We're looking for Christmas stuff. We're looking for other things too, but everything was $2, $2, $2. So $6 for all this stuff. I'm going to put it together now and we'll light up the tree. It's looking cute.
We spent a grand total of $6
for the lights and the Christmas tree skirt.
Hey everyone, it is the holiday season. We wanted to put out a quick holiday video. As you can see, we have our festive shirts on. Yep. So this is not part of the Fixer Upper video, but we wanted to give you a tour of the inside of the home. Now that we've got the estate sale finished and most of the house is decluttered and a lot of the utilities are finally usable, we're actually going to host Thanksgiving here, which is exciting to us because it's been a long time coming to get to this point. So we'll take you on a quick tour of the interior of the home soon. I wanted to show you our funny Christmas shirts. Mine says, "Presents are the way," with little baby Yoda on it. Lisa's says, if I could get it,
"Don't Stop Believing."
Don't stop believing.
Journey was my favorite band, so it was so appropriate.
I don't think that that's what it refers to in this case. Probably just Santa, but you know. Anyway. All right, so now we're going to we'll start in the kitchen and we'll work our way around the bottom. We've gotten some decorations out. You saw us put the tree up. We dug it out of the closet. And then we're going to show you the rest of the stuff that we did, and we'll show you what the house looks like now that it's cleaned up. All right?
Thank you.
All right, everyone. So we're in the kitchen. This is the entry door, transom above. We had done some repairs to this area here. We have a functional coffee bar now. All these cabinet doors and drawers didn't work. Our goal, again, so everyone's aware, is to simply make the home usable, not to remodel it. Super professional right now. We just want to get it fixed. So we've got a working microwave, there's some book storage or whatever, stuff that was here. We haven't gone through everything yet, but we do have storage that operates. And as we're doing Thanksgiving tomorrow, we have a lot of stuff out that we're going to be cooking later. The stove works, the oven works, everything's good in that regard. We even have a light above. We'll have to rectify that someday with a vent. This window works nicely, and we've got them all pretty much operating. You can see we spread out some of the knickknacks that we kept all along here. We kept a lot of dishes and plates, china, bowls, things like that. So we have everything we need to host Thanksgiving.
Okay, and you know, if you see right where the clean dishes are,
oh yeah,
those are actually in the dishwasher, which doesn't work. So that's why we apologize to have all that stuff out.
We hadn't even looked in there, honestly. We knew it didn't operate when we bought the house, and we know we have to replace it. But when we opened it, all this stuff was inside, so we just gave it a quick clean.
Some good Tupperware.
Yeah, some good older Tupperware there. Yeah, so nice, glass face cabinets for now. We'll use all that. This fridge does work. We cleaned it very well, as good as we could, and it does operate, but it's not going to stay. We have a brand new, stainless fridge to put there at some point that I have to just move up here. And we'll put a new dishwasher and a new stove at some point. This goes out to the mystery laundry room area, pantry that we're working on still. So you'll see that another time. This leads to the dining room. I wanted to speak about this. We had a couple historians come through the house, and they said, yes, it's a 4-square, but it's very vernacular. It was done the way the style of the houses were done long ago. They weren't really doing it to any true design. They were just banging wood up as they needed it. We found a table that we had in storage. We thought we'd bring it here. We'll use it for the holiday to fit the family. We have some folding chairs we found that look like this. I'll show you. We've got a set of these old-fashioned, open that for me, of these old-fashioned wooden folding chairs that I thought were pretty nice. Model it, please. Vanna White style or whatever. There you go. Very nice. They're very strong chairs, well built, and we'll use these if we need extra seating, and also we have some pads to put on because they're hard. These chairs we kept. They just came with the house. They're very nice chairs. They're comfy. We don't know where we're going to put them yet.
These are going to go in the other room because they match.
Okay. And then this oval-shaped rounded cabinet we kept, and everything inside. You've seen the glass before. We had to bring up. This is Lisa's mom's silver set that we brought just so we would have some silverware here because we noticed we didn't have any to use for Thanksgiving. We threw some plates up that we had up on the plate shelves. Apparently there's plate slots everywhere along this dining room. So we just had some of those that we kept. We had a fireplace surround, so we kept that one in place. Another rocking chair that was in good shape. And now we're going into the living room where we had set up the tree and the table. We had some furniture that was left behind that we set up, some matching chairs, another cute chair and a footstool, some paintings that we put up. This mirror I found in the garage after we dug it out. We put it up there.
And I want to say with these chairs, more than likely, they were all recovered, reupholstered by the gentleman who used to own this house.
Very likely. And then we found this. We were looking for some fireplace surrounds. We happened to find this holiday one. We thought it fit perfect for this. Honestly, we couldn't find another one, but we got it at an antique salvage store, and it really does fit perfectly. So
of course, it does need a little bit of work.
We'll do the work on it. We'll get it all cleaned up and painted right, and we'll touch up the paint where it's chipping. We'll take care of that. This is the room of doilies over here. There's just a ton of doilies left over that we kept.
I love doilies.
We put a few family photos around, not many, but there's some here and there. And a few Christmas decorations that you can see we put up on the mantles. We have a little tree there. There's some holiday decorations here. We put Santa in the window. And the hallway, we found this Santa in the closet and a little stool to put him on, some old wrapping paper. We thought that was cute. We did this to the banister. Nothing's really changed upstairs, so we'll avoid that this time around. It's a work in progress. And in the parlor, the TV room we call it, we have a little tree here that's lit up that's cute. And we put up this little guy up here that we found. Tropical holiday greetings. And a couple little tiny things elsewhere, and that's about it. You want to flip the light on in here as well? This is the pool room. Hasn't changed much. We have a lot of stuff that we finally organized in here. Just different antiques and stuff that were left over. Stuff we thought we'd keep. I don't know what we're going to do with it all, but it's here. We have a cute little tin that we found that's holiday.
Is this the button? These are buttons.
Yeah, it's full of buttons. I don't think you can get it open right now.
No, but I love buttons.
And then we found some old LPs. I got the Everly Brothers, and here's our elves again. We finally put them up here.
Up here. Do that.
And yeah, you can put the light on. There you go. So we got a few LPs, Johnny Cash, the Elder. I'll keep those. And some old antique books, some old glassware.
They're actually photos.
I think that's a bank of some sort, like a piggy bank. And some old photos on the wall that we kept. And then over here we have this old, this looks like it could be around a 1940s or 50s map of the United States.
This reminds me of a bingo thing.
It's a little damaged at the bottom, but we don't care. It's fine.
See?
More old photos.
Bingo.
Oh, bingo, is that what it is? Like a slot machine? Oh, very cool. All right, and that's about it. Then we go down the hallway back out to the main living area. Here are the closets, and there's some other stuff on the walls that we kept up there. Got an old coat rack. Not that anyone uses those anymore, but we have it. And that's it. We'll take you outside next time probably. We've got a lot of work going on out there, a lot of big changes, and we don't want to let that cat out of the bag yet. So anyway, it's been fun, right. And we're going to take care, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Wait, do it again. Oh. Bye.
Bye. So happy it's beautiful.